Hi, and welcome back to yet another episode in Robert's School of Traders. Uh, in this episode, we'll see the power of super trend and the small tweaking in super trend can make it very easier, our life very easier. Before we start, I would like to thank all of you for my overwhelming response in my video of Bollinger Band, where I got more than 5K views in my video. And that was such a short span of time. So this video is I've given more emphasis to persons who are working in corporate, how they can make money in corporate while working in absolute pressure. I'm sure you will like it. So let's get started. So we will be putting more emphasis on super trend, and let us see how we, by small tweaking, we can make our as our desired target. Okay, we all know in corporate life what a corporate guy wants. Those are working, they have a huge time constant. So time is very, very harsh. They can't be glued in front of the screen. Entire day they can't be sitting in front of the screen. Yeah, they want to win the race. Yes, when you're working in corporate sector, we also wanted to be in the share market and make a quick profit. This is what we want, a quick profit. And maybe with one indicator, we don't want an array of indicators, all short of array. There are 1,000 indicators. We don't want to be using indicator. We want an indicator which has a great win ratio and it can be plotted in the phone or tabs so where you're going for a sutta break or you're going for just for a chat with a friend or a cup of tea, you can see where is my screen, where is my script sitting at. Because we all know while working in corporate, it's very, very hard to buy time. And we all are gunning for one point that is we are going to hit the target. So this indicator is nothing but a super trend. Guys, it looks very, very easy when we go out there and plot the super trend. This is for basically this settings which I made is works only for intraday and for scalping. It ranges from 1 minute to 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. And the data will hit in the face. This is the live I was recording. By the time I was making this video, it was the 2:40 by my laptop time. So what is all super trend? Let's get started. Before jumping into the indicator settings and all, let's take a small bite of a super trend. Super trend, this is by the way, it looks how the indicator looks without a noise. So if you take out the noise and how beautiful the indicator looks, you simply have to buy at this level and simply have to sell. So what we wanted in if you go to the previous slide, we wanted an indicator and we don't have so many of indicators. And this can be plotted in mobile, yet the data will get in the face. And if you remove the noise, the biggest problem in this era is noise, news, communication, communicating with your bosses, communicating with anyone. And indicator sometimes becomes a big great news. One indicator says go to left, other says go to right. So we want a one indicator which can give us quick profit and with that can be the data should hit you in the face. Oh, what is the name of the indicator? So we are bound for indicator. The indicator is super trend. So how does it work? It looks very simple. Super trend is nothing. It's a combination of ATR and just ATR and multiplier. Now, what is ATR? ATR is nothing. There are three probable cases. So in order to get ATR, first we calculate the true range and we'll simply take the ATR. Don't get frightened. It's quite simple. So there are three probabilities. One, I get a gap up, gap down. So if there's a gap up, I will take a current high. I will take a current high over here. I'll take current high and previous close. And if there's a gap down, so I will take a prior close to a current low. And the market is choppy, so I will take current high and current. Don't get worried. Everything is there in your indicator. Just the brief. So what I spoke over the just the data points. So this is how we calculated. This is a high, low, close. So first you will calculate the high and lows. Then you will calculate the high and the prior close. You will calculate the prior lows and current close. Out of these three, you will take the max figure. This is the max. You will plot the simple max. This is the max. You simply plot the max. So, okay. So it will simply plot the max. And how? Yeah. You simply plot the max. And how this now in all the indicators have a ATR of 14 by default, ATR of 14 period. So it will take the average. So this is what you call the ATR. That's simple as. So we got the ATR. Now what the rule says? Rule says for super trend is nothing but high plus multiplier into ATR. This multiplier is the beauty of this indicator. So I plotted various multipliers starting from 2 to 4 so that the data will hit in the phase. So else we have everything is a high. I will have a high of the candle plus the multiplier plus ATR, which I just show. And how to compute the low? It's low minus a multiplier into the ATR. So now if we plot this, if you just plot this an indicator and do a small tweaking in the settings, which is what super trend to 7 to till 4. This is you get some sort of rainbow. This is what I call a super trend rainbow. This is a lovely indicator and it works pretty well in your option chain. So while working in option chain, it works in Nifty 5 minutes. When working Nifty 5 minutes, there's a Nifty 5 minutes time frame. And obviously, you have to take a look at Nifty 10 minutes and Nifty 30 minutes. The entire day, the Nifty 30 minutes chart showed that this will be huge resistance. Now, tested many a times. And look at the fall and look at the rise. So the power and the beauty of this indicator is in the data we hit you on the face. And quite obviously, I'll show examples with this indicator works in good choppy market. Obviously, when you're getting such a good trend, that means that ADX has to be good and RSI has to be good. So the second portion we wanted that this indicator should fit only one screen. We don't want an array of indicators, right? We don't want a basket of indicators. So in simple, this indicator, when there's upsurge, obviously the ADX has to be high and the RSI must have been going over 50. So you can cross check that. And so you don't want to cross check. So you can see this is a lovely uptrend. You can simply buy. Okay. Now let us see cases where the market has gone sideways. This is a Tata Steel 5 years time frame. It's quite obvious. Even a class 8, 9 guy can understand the market has gone for the sideways. In sideways market, the indicator will read you in the face. So you can simply work to not to take a trade. One of my students, one of my friends, subscriber asks, Robin, what about you don't speak of the losses? Yes. So the best way to negate the loss is not to take the trade. When the indicator is poised with things and nothing. So over here is quite a downtrend, simply shorted. And this will act as a supporting trading stop loss. And obviously it will. So let's take a few more examples. This is today's Sun Pharma. What a lovely run. Quite obviously all the lines converging, merging. You can see what is the strength. This will also perceive the strength of indicators. So if you simply plot cost with MACD, RSI or whatever, stochastics, RSI, or HUL, everything, you'll find the trend is absolutely high. So once you miss the trend, the theory says don't buy the stock. If you will not buy, will wait. The price to merge somewhere over here. This is nothing. It will also be the VWAP, where the price will come, will re-earn intraday. Again, if you miss the buzz, we'll wait. Price to come in for retracement. So simply buy. And over here, if you bought it over here, we will simply square it out. So what I'm trying to show you guys, with one indicator, you can make good amount of profit if you're in the rally. Let's take few more examples. This is Nasdaq stock, right? Today's example. Again, a great upswing. It moved up. It moved out. Done in second half. So it came near, and it fizzled. So Ravi will ask Robin what to do in this particular case. So this indicator, once you miss the buzz, you should not be entering this particular rally. Or there are different ways. This indicator is for a good for intraday, and it works pretty well in a smaller time frame. In smaller time frame, there's a 5-minute time frame. It will work pretty well, which I think I missed out. I will show in different way. It works pretty well in 1 minute, 3 minute kind of time. So this is the beauty of the indicator, and this again is unique. Getting Robin School of Traders. Plotting so much of super trend with GIFs makes sense. It worked like a simple ladder. So this ladder itself is saying the trend is going to be very, very high. And over here, this is trying to replace, or maybe it has gone sort of salt. So if you're taking the profit, be in the rally and simply be. This is the Nifty's today's. Nifty in yesterday was a great fall, so it was quite evident. Great fall over. So over every time the Nifty wanted to bounce back, this is the time you'll not buy. If you is absolutely rise on sell. And today being a absolutely buy on rise kind of market. And if you simply discard this, you can see all the lines are very close. When the lines are getting very close, the trend is weakening. When the lines are separated, the trend is very strong. This is the rule of rainbow. When the separation of the lines are very high, then obviously the trend whichever they're riding in is very strong. When there is some sort of mixing, when the trend is fizzling out, and in Cobra, when this is sort of a Cobra, then you won't take a trade. This is a Chambal Fertilizers stock. It moved yesterday in the morning, gap up. It was there, then it came up. Obviously, if you look at this indicator, even a class 5, 6 guy can say this is the zone. If you have missed the bus, you'll wait for the bus to come. Next bus. So in share market, we say if you miss the bus, don't wait, chase the bus. The next bus will come. Maybe tomorrow or before tomorrow, 1 month, 2 months, 3. But bus has to come. The bus came in second half. So second half the bus came, keep being the rally, keep in the rally. And yes, if I think today being Friday, else most of people would have carried this position because we don't know what will be happening in Saturdays and Sundays. So this is also can consider for BTST or SPST. Guys, this sort of video again, same Chambal Fertilizer 1 minute time frame. So as I told in second half, which really happens in this sort of market, Friday market, it is sort of because no one likes to be taking his money speculating to be kept in Saturday Sunday. This is how it happened in Chambal Fertilizer. By the way, Chambal Fertilizer is on upsurge. The next support resistance will be in the vicinity of 524 and 531. So again, same all Chambal. So I have tried to show you the same data in different time frames. So it works pretty well. You can plot in one screen, or you can plot it in different screen. So guys, this is something you will not get in many in YouTube channel, plotting of all super trends in one go. This is the beauty of the indicator, and this is what we do in Robinhood School of Traders. I'm sure people must have liked this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. I will request you to hit the bell icon so that whatever video I am making will come to you. If you have any questions regarding certain, do call me, do text me. I'll be great to help you out. Thank you.